So I have already created my background layer with the black color. And now select the text tool. Make sure the foreground is white. The font I'm using is Anton, regular. And now change the style from filled to outlined. And now left click and now type your text. And now select the move tool. I'm going to place it here in center. And now select the 3D transform tool, this one here, left click. Make sure to select this one here, the rotate, left click here. And now I'm going to change the values of the X, Y, and Z. So for example, I'm just going to keep this on the plus here. So here it is. For this one, I'm going to move it like this. And then I'm going to place this one here like this. And now click on transform. And now go to filter, light and shadow, and then select long shadow. Select the style, left click on style, and then select fade in fixed length. So I'm going to reduce the midpoint. So I'm going to left click on the Gimp window, press the plus key on my keyboard to zoom in. I'm going to change the angle. So I'm going to change the angle here to 67. So here for the midpoint. So I'm going to leave the midpoint to around 120, and for the length, so I'm going to leave it here. And for the color, if you left click, you can change the color. So for example, you can select this red color here, this one here, press OK. And here in the composition, you can either select shadow plus image. So it will add, for example, our outline text with the shadow. Left click, you can select shadow only. So it will just keep the red color, or for example, shadow minus image. So you will have only the shadow minus the text. So for me, I'm going to select shadow plus image and then press OK. And now press minus on your keyboard to zoom out. So here it is. Now let's select the scale tool. So I'm going to scale it up, press enter. So here it is. And then right click layer to image size.